Hi, my name is Kellyanne. I'm Client Services Manager here at Koozai. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends. Google Trends can be used for comparative keyword research and to discover event-triggered spikes in keyword search volumes. Google Trends provides keyword-related data including search volume index and geographical information about search engine users. Users can input a particular term or a set of terms, and where there is sufficient data available, Google Trends will generate a line graph indicating how interest has risen or fallen over time. So you enter your keyword in here. And you can add another keyword to compare it to. Then you can select the area. And the period of time you want to look at. A category, if you wish. And what sort of search. If you hover over the line graph, it will show you accurate figures. If you scroll down, it shows you it by breakdown by sub-region. And then further down than that, it looks at each specific keyword and then gives you more information about related queries.